Hello beauties, welcome to my kitchen. That's me, your girl B Butelezi. Please don't forget to subscribe as I show you some of the dishes I have made before. If you would like to cook one of the dishes that I have made before, please check the description box down below. I'll just make things easy for you and I will put the link down for you. As you can see in front of me right now, I have chicken breast, and right now I am trying to butterfly our chicken breast. Today we're gonna be making stuffed chicken breast, and I'm gonna be showing you the ingredients we're gonna be using to stuff our chicken. As you can see in front of me, I have butterflied chicken and I have cheese, and inside this cup I have our creamy spinach. I'm gonna be showing you how we go about it. I forgot to put bacon. We're gonna be using bacon. I'm gonna show you how we go about the whole ingredients together. If you would like to see how I cook this tasty dish, please stay with me. Don't move, don't go anywhere. As you can see right now, I'm done with the stuffing. Now it's time where we have to boil our chicken for at least 5 minutes. We're gonna boil our chicken for 5 minutes. What we're gonna be doing right now, I have to close the pot for 5 minutes and wait for 5 minutes for the chicken to boil. Now let's check back how our chicken is doing. As you can see, we are almost done. Now the last step, what we're gonna be doing is the last step. I'm gonna add butter inside the pan. As you can see, there is melted butter inside the pan. I'm gonna use melted butter to fry our chicken until the chicken is brown and gold. You can see the colors that are coming through. That's the color that I'm looking for. Now that we are done, I'm gonna serve my chicken breast with a mashed potato and a caramelized onion with beans. As you can see, I'm done. You guys, I can't wait to dig in. I am so hungry. That's my dinner. If you would like to cook this for your family, please check the description box down below. I'm gonna put the ingredients for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you, you guys. I love you. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much.